case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a 1985 case, the Supreme Court of New Mexico ruled that the statute of limitations for medical malpractice claims begins when the malpractice occurs, not when the injury becomes apparent. The case involved a plaintiff, Danny Kern, who sued Dr. Doyle Simmons and X-Ray Associates for negligence in administering radiation therapy that allegedly led to the death of Dale Kern. The plaintiff argued that the statute of limitations should not begin to run from the date of the malpractice, but rather from the time the injury becomes physically apparent and is detectable. The court also considered the doctrine of fraudulent concealment, but rejected its application in the case, as there was no evidence to suggest the healthcare provider knowingly made a mistake or intentionally hid information from the patient. The Court of Appeals ruled that the defendants were able to prove that the claim had been filed more than 3 years after the act of malpractice occurred, and the plaintiff couldn't provide a material fact to counter this. It dismissed negligent and ignorant misrepresentation as justifications for tolling the statute of limitations in a malpractice case. The court ultimately affirmed the judgment in favor of the defendant.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.